Very good morning, my dear revision batch students. First of all, I want to thank many of you for following the revision schedule, listening to the classes regularly, practicing all the problems and case study, and being up to date with the revision. In fact, we started in form of Teachers Day gift of the revision batch and revision material as well. And I'm very glad to tell all of you that almost each student, many of the students, I can say around 50 to 60% of the students are going along with me as per the schedule. But let me tell you that revision batch for me is not just a batch which I have to tell and complete. It's a batch which has to reach you, and you also have to put efforts from your side. I am very disappointed to say that yesterday I told the students to go through Kaizen costing 2 videos, cellular manufacturing and advanced case study of Six Sigma. It was not a live video, but I shared all the videos with you in the group. Yesterday morning itself I have shared with you. But unfortunately still many students have not completed watching of Kaizen costing videos, cellular manufacturing videos and advanced case study of Six Sigma. It is expected. You see, because I told I will not delete these videos, many students have postponed watching of Kaizen costing, cellular and advanced case study. Now you tell me, what shall we do? Shall we leave these topics and go to chapter 4? What will you do if it comes in the exam? Don't postpone, because never I am going to do again this one. Never I will give you videos which will not be deleted. From next time onwards, I will play the video and ensure that it will be deleted, because I have in my cell phone the number of views. For the third chapter lean system, the revision class which we have conducted, almost I am having with me before deleting almost 1400 views are there. 1400 students have watched the entire revision when it was going on for lean system. Yesterday I told you to watch Kaizen costing, cellular and advanced case study. Hardly 600 to 700 students have watched. Means only 50% have watched, remaining 50% have not watched. Okay, please don't think that I will not notice all these things. I will notice each and everything what everyone is doing. Okay, so unless you cooperate with me, it is not going to work out. So listen to me, all of you. Today 19th September Saturday, Kaizen costing 2 parts, cellular manufacturing 1 part, advanced case study Six Sigma 2 parts. Please complete watching it today. It will be deleted by tonight 10 p.m. I am telling you, by today night 10 p.m. I am going to delete all these videos also. You please finish it before that, because it's very painful, because when I am putting effort from my side, you are not putting any effort from your side. Who prevented you from watching Kaizen, cellular and advanced case study? In fact, these are all recorded lectures. You can increase the speed also if you want. So please don't do like that. Tomorrow again, what will happen in exam if advanced case study of Six Sigma comes similar model? What will you do? How will you get the practice? I am going to revise case study also, I told you, but I was telling now, before I revise also, you people should do bulky. I am telling no. Please complete that on Saturday. I am telling very seriously, all of you. Today, please finish all these things, whoever have still not completed. Coming to 20th September, that is Sunday. On Sunday, there is going to be a live repeat telecast, because many students are not having internet connection. Many students want to listen once again. So repeat telecast, live repeat telecast will be there of the chapters which we have covered till now. That is transfer pricing, standard costing, modern business environment, lean system. Entire Sunday we are going to do repeat telecast of this. I will give you the timings, everything I will be sharing in the group, and based on that you can go ahead, no problem. Please remember, 19th September, that is today, finish this. 20th September Sunday will be repeat telecast of all these things. Those students who have not watched, or those students who want to watch again, you can watch this and complete all these things. Now those students who have completed everything along with me as per schedule, first of all, thank you very much. I appreciate, congratulate the fact that you have done everything according to revision schedule. What the students have to do is, today and tomorrow, obviously you have other subjects also. Please complete the balance pending whatever is there, because till now from my side Transfer pricing chapter 9 I have revised. 12th chapter standard costing revised. 2nd chapter modern business environment revised. 3rd chapter lean system revised. Decision making 6th chapter I have given you the audio guide of 6th chapter. 7th chapter pricing also I have given audio guide. So those students who have finished watching everything of the revision classes, please complete whatever pending questions you have in 9th, 12th, 2nd, 3rd, 6th and 7th chapters today and tomorrow, plus you do other subjects also. Then only on Monday I am going to conduct revision for 4th chapter, because I am telling you that we must target 70 plus in the exam, means our preparation also has to be to that level. You will not watch the videos, you will not practice the problems. How it will happen, tell me? Revision videos you have watched so well, but yesterday I shared you these already recorded videos and I told you I will not delete, means automatically everybody are postponing. I hope now you understand why it is important to delete the videos, so that you are all watching. Okay, so this is going to be our program. Complete whatever is pending today and tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday. Be perfect in chapter 9, 12, 2nd, 3rd, 6 and 7. Any doubts you have, you ask me on the Telegram, I am there. Don't go on postponing. This is the last and final warning I am giving for the revision batch students, because 19th September today, 20th September tomorrow, 2 days you have. After that I am going to start 4th chapter, then 8th chapter, then again case studies will start, then again mock examination I will conduct, revision test papers I will be doing. By that time you should have completed all these things. In fact, I told you to do self-study for first chapter also, so you can do that also in today and tomorrow's time period, my dear students. Tomorrow Sunday will be repeat live telecast of all these 4 chapters, and after live telecast they will all be deleted as usual. No doubt about that. Okay, so this is based on many students who have, because of internet connection or late admission, they requested. So that's why 20th September Sunday I am giving repeat telecast, plus also time for you to cover whatever pending portion is there. 19th September today, you please complete Kaizen costing, cellular and advanced case study, Six Sigma. You are not watching this. I don't know why you are doing like this. You have to watch this and complete this. Okay, so keeping that in mind, please remember, today you have to complete these 3 videos. On 20th September tomorrow I will be doing repeat telecast. Our next revision class will be on Monday, that is chapter 4, cost management techniques. Please don't repeat the mistake of postponing the videos. I also, when I am putting effort from my side, I want effort from your side also. I am telling very frankly all of you. Thank you very much. Complete this. So in the group I will be sharing these videos and I will be deleting them by 10 o'clock. 20th September repeat telecast also I will be sharing the schedule by today evening. Thank you very much. Don't delay, don't neglect. Keep smiling all of you. Have a nice day.